Story 21. Luqman, being asked from whom he had learnt civility, replied, "From those who had no civility, because what appeared to me unbecoming, in them I refrained from doing. Not a word is said, even in sport, without an intelligent man taking advice thereby. But if 100 chapters of wisdom are read to a fool, all strike his ear merely as sport." Now, I would have used the term 114, which would have referred to the chapters of the Quran and the chakras. But the point is the same, right? Is that even those without the good teaching around, they see the examples like, well, let's turn to the people who are living the bad life. So even bad company is a teacher.